one of the only buy and hodl strategies during this market crash is the DXY. This is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So, if you take a look at, well, here's our crash. Here's what the S&P did. Whoa, and then up into a bull trap. Um, and over this time period, the DXY is it's pretty flat. So it's not super different than holding cash, really, and it doesn't really look like you're going to gain, but it is swinging a bit. Um, so uh, there's a couple ideas for the DXY here. If you hold cash, cash will stay flat as well. If you hold DXY, it'll roughly stay flat, but it swings around that flat line. So you could hold cash when it's down, catch that upswing, hold cash while it's down, catch that upswing, hold cash while it's down. So going forward here, you should be holding cash until it swings below the line. And then you can catch the upswing there on the DXY, and then hold cash until it goes down again. This would have worked better during this crazy volatility, and we didn't know the pattern. Now that we see the pattern, there's not much volatility here. But this is a super, super safe way to day trade between DXY and cash during this crash for the next month and a half. This is the safest sort of swing trading idea that you could do if you're new to swing trading. You don't need options or anything like that. You just buy the DXY on the ups and then sell the DXY and hold cash on the way down. This is kind of a fun beginner strategy that will return more than cash most likely. And you can stay out of this absolutely crazy insanity market crash situation down here. Just stay safe, stay flat. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Help me out. And I guess sort of the idea with the crash is that this is a worldwide monetary contraction, this drawdown. This whole crisis is a worldwide monetary crisis. And what happens is all the other countries and all the foreign businesses can't make their payments and they can't get loans. They have all their loans in dollars. So all the other countries have to print up their own currency to exchange for dollars to pay their dollar loans. And it just keeps driving the other currencies around the world lower and lower relative to the dollar. So I think my bet is that this is not going to stay flat. This is going to gradually roll up over this next month and a half during the crash, and I think it should keep going up over the, it probably will continue to go up for the next 3 years over the whole, there's going to just be a bear market for like 3 years out here on stocks. That's what I'm predicting, and I think that the DXY should get stronger that whole time. I don't know if that's a safe strategy to hold it that long or not. That's getting into some philosophy territory, but holding it here and trying to trade in and out of the dollar is safe, and you could maybe get some gains doing that. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm doing shorts and gold and stuff like that down here in the mess. But this is an interesting buy and hold strategy that that might be interesting. So this is not trading advice. Please hit the like button and happy trading.